Hey, this is Quad. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is an LED light strip. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So they do provide guys the LED light strip right here. And for the one that we got right here, it's 16.4 feet long. They do have this available in a longer one, which is like 32.8 feet. So if you guys want a longer one, you can definitely get that instead. But if you see in the bottom, there is more stuff. So let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take off that protection layer, you can see there's a bunch of stuff on here. So right here, they provide guys a mounting accessory if you guys need to screw it on and mount it onto the wall. Right here, they provide guys the cable that you can plug in to activate the product. And right here is the other part of the cable that you can plug into the wall charger. So just like this. So once you guys have it plugged in, you guys unplug the other side onto the LED light strip. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But you see right here, we do have the remote control. And on the remote control, it gives you guys a power button, a different mode button, and probably the option for you guys to adjust the brightness level on here. And we guys turn to the back, we do have the brand logo. And they provide guys a sweet tape. So that way you can stick it on somewhere if you guys want to. In the very bottom, they provide guys an alcohol pad that you can use to wipe off the surface before you guys apply it on. And then right here, they provide guys instructions to teach you guys how to use it. And they also mention if the LED light strip is too long, you can definitely cut it to make it shorter if you guys want to. And also for this LED light strip, it does give you guys the option to connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant using the app option that you can control on here as well. So that's actually really cool because it gives you guys the remote control that's on here, or you can use the app option. And you guys do have the option to use the voice control to change different settings on here as well. And the app that you want to download is called a Vont Home app. So I'm actually download it and connect the actual product so that way you can test it out. And one to remember is that when you guys do plug it in, you guys want to unravel it first before you guys actually plug it in. But for this test, I'm going to test it out really quick. So I'm not going to untangle this part right here. But I'm just plugging the cable first to show you guys how it works. Alright, so if you don't plug in this part right here, it only fits one way. Once you guys have it on, you guys can turn it on or turn it off right here. And when you see it on the app, this is what the app looks like. So let me actually connect it onto the app first and we'll test it out to see how it works. So if it's the first time using the app, you do need to create an account. So I'm actually create an account first. Alright, so I just finished creating an account. And once you guys click on add device, this is what you can see right here. So it scanned a bunch of devices that's available close by. So I don't tap on the one that I have. So I want to tap this one right here. So you can see it actually connected really fast. So what you can do is rename it. So I'm gonna name this Red. And it actually got connected onto a 2.4 wireless network. So I'm actually do that as well. Alright, so we got connected. You can see how the product lights up. So I want to turn it off really quick. So the reason why I want to turn it off really quick is because I do have it wrapped up and I don't want to leave it on for too long. Because they do mention how you guys want to untangle it first before you guys use it. But like I mentioned, I want to do a quick little test to show you guys how it works and what the product looks like. So I just turned it back on and I turned everything on the lowest setting, so it should be fine for it to keep it on. But if you guys notice on here, we do have a lot of different options available. You do have a schedule timer option. You do have the option to adjust different brightness level on here. And you guys can adjust the different patterns, the colors, and etc. on here as well. And if you guys notice on here, they do have a music mode option. So I'm assuming once you guys activate it, when you guys are playing music on here, it'll follow the beat of the music. So if you guys test it out. So I'm actually doing a quick test of the music sync option to show you guys how that works. So I'm gonna get my song ready first before we actually activate it. Alright, so I got my song ready. Let's test it out. I'm gonna do a quick little test because I don't want to keep it on for too long. So if I play my music. Right, so see that is basically what the product looks like when you guys do activate the music mode option. Like I mentioned, you do have the option to change the different color options on here as well. So if I turn it back on, so here is red, yellow, blue, white, light blue, pink, and you have a bunch of other options as well. And like I mentioned, for this product, it allows you guys to connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant as well. So if we test it out, let me show you how it works. So if you guys go onto Alexa, you should be able to find the device. So when you guys go into the Alexa app, you guys want to look for the skill that's under the Vont Home app. So here is the skill you guys want to add. So just add the skill first, and it will require you guys to log into your account. Alright, so we added the skill, and it's currently looking for the device. So it might take a few seconds, a minute for it to look for the device. Alright, so I found it. So we test it out. Turn on red.
Okay.
Turn off red.
Okay.
Turn on red.
Okay.
Change the color of red to blue.
Okay.
Alright, so see, it definitely does work if you guys will connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant. So definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to use the remote control that's on here, or you can use the app, or you can use the voice control to actually control it as well. And obviously the product will look a lot better in the darker setting. Let me just turn on some of the light on here to show you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like in a darker setting. Alright, so slightly darker. Let me just turn it on to show you guys what she looks like in a darker setting. Alright, so this is what the product looks like in a darker setting. You can see how much cooler it looks. You can definitely change all the colors on here, or different patterns, the different scene, and etc. Which is definitely pretty awesome. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality LED light strip that has the same design that's on here. We're gonna give you guys a remote control option, an app control option, a voice control option, and so much more. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.